a Mexican a real one. This man is evil.
Until a tremendous tide rolled towards the eye. The serpent had bit, and the battle between God and monster began.
Where am I? School bedtime. Let's eat. This is like, I don't know why he cut it. This is really for him. I'm saving my calories for something else.
Even during summer.
Even during summer school, bread is okay. This is the only school you want. Why this one looks so dry like there's no cream in it? There's the cream, guys. Woo!
The outside kind of shreddy.
This all is it.
Amor!
Hey, Scrimmy.